Hey, I'm Shanna Chamberlain, Tarte's Global Pro Makeup Artist and Product Educator for over 10 years.
And I'm Jen Crimmins, influencer, model, and Tarte's Global Product Developer.
And we're the Tartelets. I struggled with acne and rosacea my entire life and didn't learn to love my skin until I started doing makeup. As a makeup artist, I want my clients to feel that same confidence that makeup gives me. So you know I'm the ultimate beauty junkie, but what you don't know is that I'm also a proud dog mom to Roxy and Ruby.
Trying to balance it all as a working mom isn't easy, let me tell you. And when I'm not balancing sleep training with running after my kids in the park, hello dark circles, I make sure to find some me time to work out and share my best mom hacks and fashion finds with my social fam.
We've been best friends for over 10 years. We are so lucky to be invited into your homes where we can talk about everything from our everyday makeup tips to our families and of course our beauty boundaries, because let's face it, we all have them.
Being able to help our tartlets love the reflection that's staring back at them is what it's all about for us. So stay tuned because we've got many more videos to come.